Welcome to Alkaline Mom. Today we're making ginger cookies, and what we're going to need is some grapeseed oil, spelt flour, agave, date sugar, some sea salt, and ginger and cloves. Okay, let's grab our spelt flour, and we're going to pour 1 cup of spelt flour into the bowl. Next, we're going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Let's grab our ginger. We need 1/2 tablespoon of ginger in the bowl. And then we're going to grab our cloves. And we're going to also get 1/2 tablespoon of cloves. Now let's mix it all together. Okay, now we need some grapeseed oil. Let's add about 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of agave. Now we need to add 1/4 cup of date sugar. The last ingredient is 1/4 cup of spring water. Now let's mix it all together. Our cookie dough is now ready. Next, we're going to line our cookie sheet with parchment paper, grab our cookie dough, and put it in a plastic Ziploc bag. Now we're going to cut the tip of our Ziploc bag. Today we're making spiral-shaped cookies, so we're just going to twirl our dough around in a circle. Now our cookies are ready to go in the oven and bake on 350 degrees for about 8 to 12 minutes. Here we go. Our cookies are ready, and look at them. They're so cute and they are so yummy. Thank you guys for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe
And like our video. Bye-bye.
Bye.